Hey, what's up guys, it's happened again. We have got some massive news regarding the build quality of the whole Galaxy S22 lineup. And based on what being discussed right now, Samsung is looking to make its Galaxy S22 Ultra once again the most premier exclusive flagship. First, we will be talking about the build quality of the Galaxy S22 lineup, and according to the Korean source, Samsung may go heavy on the plastic back with both the Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus, while giving this premium glass back only to its S22 Ultra model. This is one step ahead compared to what they have done with the S21 lineup. Right now, only the base model is rocking the plastic back, while both the S21 Plus and the S21 Ultra have a gloss back. But that might change with the Galaxy S22 lineup. Samsung is clearly trying to elevate its Ultra flagship even more by giving the exclusive feature to its Ultra model. So as mentioned by the source, this is something that is currently in a discussion right now and it is not finalized yet. So things still can change. Now based on what we have seen with the S21 lineup and with the recent Galaxy A series, some people actually like this approach of using polycarbonate semi-premium design. There are also some obvious benefits with it when it comes to durability when we are using the polycarbonate on the back, but then again a premium glass is something which you can expect to see on a flagship smartphone. If Samsung decided to go with the polycarbonate back, then its S22 Plus, I expect to see some price reduction similar to one which they have done with the S20 lineup this year. Also in the next we have the Samsung Galaxy M32 unboxing posted ahead of its announcement. The Samsung Galaxy M32 has essentially leaked full and we have even the pricing details, and now we have the unboxing of that particular device. Nothing more special is included in the box. We have a charger of 15 watt, a USB A to C cable, and bunch of other startup guides are available. Nothing fancier here. This is going to be a device which is coming with a U-shaped notch and it's going to be having a 90Hz of refresh rate, and the device is also spotted on the Google Play console. It shows a MediaTek Helio G80 chipset and it's going to be exclusively coming with 6 gigs and 4 gigs of RAM as well. Also the Galaxy F22 inches closer to release as the official support page go live. It's going to be a rebranded version of the Galaxy A22 and Samsung is expected to confirm this soon. There is not a lot to be told about the Galaxy F22 that wasn't said already. It comes with a different design, proven possibly by the Galaxy M32, the latter of which looks nothing like the A32, or it could be very well be a carbon copy of the A22. Either way, hardware specs will be likely nearly identical across both the phones, which means that the F22 should be having a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED HD+, 90Hz refresh rate, MediaTek Helio G80 processor, 4 and 6 gigs of RAM, 64 and 128 gigs of internal storage. So guys, all in all, it's going to be ridiculous if Samsung chooses to include the plastic back on both the Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus devices, because all the other OEMs which are coming with a flagship level of spec sheet are even giving the glass back on their devices, so we can expect Samsung will do the same. Anyhow, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.